Hello, welcome to my presentation. My name is Caleb Walls, and today I'll be presenting a way to solve people's content for being stolen by others online. Overview of the problem. The main issue I want to solve in this presentation is the issue of content theft online. It is an issue not talked about widely, and it shows because every day people's content is stolen by others in many ways. How easy it is to do it. It is very easy to take others' content, for example. I could right now take a screenshot of someone else's recipe, for example, post my own on social media, for example, like Facebook. How would it hurt content creators online? This stealing of others' content hurts content creators. It hurts them because they put lots of work into their content just to have it stolen by others, and it also makes social media and the internet as a whole a toxic environment. Some people don't know they're stealing others' content. Another issue that comes with this is that some people are unknowingly stealing others' content by not giving them credit or not properly citing when using others' content online. Solutions tried before. Adding a watermark. One solution that's widely used is adding a watermark to an image, like in the picture right here. It is used both by companies and individual content creators online. However, this can become redundant if a person stealing this content blocks out the image using another image or simply edits it out. Creating a copyright image on content. Another solution is creating a copyright on your images or videos that makes it illegal to steal your content. My proposal. Creating an app that gives credit to the original creator. My proposal is that an app that is similar to the Safe Assign feature used on Blackboard that could give credit to the original creator of said content on social media apps like Facebook and other social media apps as well. Software and app itself. This will be a software app that goes into these social media platforms, so you would not have to download it separately onto your phone. An example of this would be a person posting a screenshot of the article, for example, on Facebook. The app would then give a prompt asking if that person would like to give credit to the original creator of the app. If they select yes, it would give the creator by tagging them if they have an account on the social media platform, or if they don't, just giving the link in the post. How will it get done? Not being sold out by one company, this could cause corruption in the app. The app will not be paid for by one company in order to avoid the app being corrupted by politics. For example, if Facebook funded all the app, it would not be able to be used as full effects like it was intended for, and would defeat the purpose altogether. Paid for by venture capitalists. This app would mainly be paid for by venture capitalists to ensure no corruption of the use of the app. Offered to social media platforms to be installed. The app would then be offered to be installed in social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Feasibility. Possible if developed by the right people. It cannot be corrupted by money and politics. It cannot be sold to one specific company. In order for this app to happen and work, it would have to not be sold by one company and or organization or in order to prevent corruption and politics from getting in the way of the app's function. Call to action. Plagiarizing and taking others' content is theft. Just like taking someone else's physical possessions in real life, you should not take or use someone else's content online without their permission. What the app does prevents content theft. This app will prevent content theft, keep social media websites honest, and have integrity on social media platforms, and overall prevent corruption for the social media platforms. For example, many popular YouTubers in America have had their content stolen and copied by other YouTubers overseas. These are all my references that I used for this presentation. Thank you for watching and please have a great day.